Slow cooker 3 cheese pasta bake. To start, heat the oil and butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the leek and cook stirring for 4 minutes or until tender. Transfer the leek mixture to a slow cooker with the flour, cauliflower, pasta, cream, stock and mustard. Season with salt and pepper. Cover and cook for 2 hours on high until the pasta is tender. Stir occasionally throughout cooking. Add the Havarti, cheddar and ricotta and stir to combine. Turn off the slow cooker and set aside covered for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the extra oil in a non-stick frying pan over high heat. Cook the sage for 30 seconds or until crispy. Transfer to a plate. Add the sourdough and garlic to the pan. Cook stirring for 3 minutes or until golden. Divide the pasta mixture among serving bowls. Season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle with the sage, sourdough mixture and nutmeg to serve. This creamy cheese pasta dish is the ultimate comfort food.